Hi, I'm James Adams, and I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com. And right now we're going to talk about serial ATA hard drives. That's spelled SATA. Is the newest kind of hard drive and is the easiest to install on a PC. So now we took off the panel. We connected our data cable. We identified what our power cable is. And now these are the drive bays. Right here is for small 3.5-inch drives, and this is for 5 1/4. This is where your CD-ROMs would go, and this is for floppies and hard drives. So just, in my case, I got so many open, I'm just going to pick one at random, take your hard drive, and this is the end with the connectors, and you'll see that the other end is just flat, it's got nothing. So you just stick it in here. Now the hard drive has some holes for some screws. There's 2 holes in this hard drive. So you just make it line up with the one on the drive bay. You proceed to screw it on like this, and then you repeat the process for that one. Then you take your power cable and you just stick it right there and flip it if it's on the wrong orientation, and right there is connected. This is the data cable, and you just take it and connect it, and you're done. That's all it takes.